Some clients want to upgrade the firmware COFDM video receiver. Before the cargo delivery, they need the receiver to support the RTSP player. Now they need the receiver to support the UDP player. Maybe they found some new problems. We can send an upgrade of firmware to improve it. How to upgrade your wireless video receiver. In the video, I will show you how to make the upgraded SD card, and then upgrade your receiver with this upgraded SD card. Hope this is useful for you. Please prepare an SD card first. Connect to the computer first. Blank. Or it's okay if there is content, but if there is content, you need to back up the content, because it disappears after formatting. See our current card, 16 GB. It is recommended that you use 4 gigabits to 16 gigabits, because it is used more often. If it's too big, some customers encountered problems. You can try it too, but it doesn't mean it won't work. After the card is ready, we will then open this tool. Files in Win30 to Disk Imager. There are 3 steps here. The first step, select the update.img file to the SD card. The update.img file, that is to say, we need to write this image into the card, just like Ghost. Then in the second step, select the drive letter you want to use for the card. For example, take a look at our current drive letter. The SD card is G drive, so don't choose the wrong one. Then in the third step, write. Click to confirm. Then the computer shows to start writing files. After writing, we can look inside the card again. Before the SD card is blank, see what appears after writing the card. This also. Check whether writing the card was successful. This is the writing speed. Normal cards can generally achieve this high speed. Unless it is a very old card, the writing speed is slower. Finished. Click OK. By this time, the card has been written. Let's take a look. Before the SD card is blank, now you will find that there is content. Then go into this directory. The P1 directory is empty. This is no problem, because the upgrade card is empty. Later we will copy my upgraded image here. Then the upgrade card is finished. The upgrade card has just been finished and prepared. Now we need to put the update file into the upgrade card. Then unzip the upgrade package I sent you. After unzipping, you will find this EMC folder inside. We can see the directory name EMC seen in the upgrade card. There is a P1 directory in the EMC directory, and P1 has content. Now we need to copy the contents of P1, or do simpler. Copy the entire directory of P1 and paste it into the SD card. Then go into the SD card and overwrite it. Well, now the card upgrade is done. We then operate the upgrade process on the receiver. Then we insert this card into the receiver. Then power it on. Wait about 10 seconds. These 2 lights will light up at the same time first, then flash at the same time. Pay attention to these 2 green lights. They are flashing at the same time. The upgrade is complete now. Then unplug the power. Just pull out the card and it's done.